Hello guys, welcome back to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to put caption under picture in Word. Without further ado, let's get started. Now here, as you can see, I have my picture. So what we're going to do is to go to references and click this insert caption. Now you can add your title of picture right here. For example, trees. And then let's add to this one picture also. Now, by pressing shift on your keyboard, select these two and then go to picture format and then select this group and do the same thing to the other one. And now if you want to add, for example, a figure content, you can just name it figure let's just say figure table of contents. And then what we're going to do is go to references and then add insert table of figures and just click OK, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.